Hello everyone, thanks for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve Excel Module 1 SAM Project 1A. I will do each task step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. If you want me to do this complete assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, I will do your assignment and I will do your complete course at very reasonable price with 100% accuracy. I will do all Excel assignment, Word assignment, PowerPoint assignment and Access assignment at very reasonable price. For more information, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number and email address is given in the description and also showing at the bottom of the screen. So now let's start this assignment. So our first step is starting from here. Begin the personal worksheet by cutting the content of the range B1 to B2 and paste into. So copy this range B1 to B2. Copy this range, go to Excel worksheet and go to personal worksheet, switch to the personal worksheet and paste it here. Cut this and paste it in A1 to A2 as like. So our second step is that adjust the width of column A using AutoFit. So first we need to select the column A and then go to the format and select AutoFit column width. This one, AutoFit column width, this one, like this. So our third step is change the width of column B to 16.00. Column B. Select column B and right click on it and select column width and then write 16.00 like this and press enter. And our fourth step is enter the values shows in table 1 into the corresponding cell into the range B14 to C16. So first copy this range, copy this and paste it in B14. Press enter. Copy the second value and paste it in B15. Press enter. Copy the last value and paste it in B16 and press enter. And copy this C value and copy this and paste it in C14. This one here. Paste it here. And second value is this one. Select this and paste it here. Third value is this one. Select this one and paste it into B16 here. C16 here. So we have completed our fourth step here, and our step number 5 is enter in cell D5, select the range D5 to D16 and then use the flash fill button to automatically enter codes into the remaining cell in the range. You must use the flash fill button to properly receive credit for this step. So copy this text albert.leona@sanjay.com. Copy this and paste it into D5. Paste it here and press enter and again select this cell and in the corner this black plus sign, double click on this and now go to the below and from here autofill option select flash fill. So this value was changed. So our 5 step was completed. Our step number 6 is change the width of column D to 36.00. Column D, this one, right click on it and column width and 36.00. This one and click OK. So we have completed our 6th step here. And our step number 77 is use the word total in the A17 cell. So copy this text and paste it into A17 here. Paste it here. And our step number 8 is in cell B17 create a formula using the function sum function to determine the total salary paid by Taboola Insurance Agency by totaling the value in the range. Copy the formula you created in cell B17 to cell C17. So we need to create a sum formula in B17. Sum, type sum and select this one. And now select the range B5 to B16. Copy this range and close the bracket and press enter. Now we need to copy the formula from B17 to BC17 like this. And our step number 9 is enter number of employee in cell A19. So copy this text number of employee and paste it into A19. Here, paste it here. Press enter. And our step number 10 is in cell B19 create a formula using the count function to determine the number of people employed by Taboola Insurance Agency by counting the value in the range B5 to B16. So we need to create a formula in B19 here. Count formula is equal to type is equal to then count and select this and now select the range B5 to B16 and close the bracket and we have got our value. So we have completed 10 steps so far. So our step number 11 is enter the text average commission in A21. So copy this text, copy this and paste it into A21 here, paste it here. And step number 12 is switch to the cash flow worksheet, change the orientation of the cash flow worksheet to landscape. So first we need to switch to the cash flow worksheet. This is the cash flow worksheet and then we need to change the orientation. So first we need to go to the page layout tab and then go to the orientation and then select landscape, this one. So our 12th step completed. And our step number 13 is in cell A2 change the cell content to cash flow April 4/10 2021 instead of just reading April 4/10 2020. So copy this text cash flow 2021, copy this and paste it into A2, paste it here, delete this one and paste new this one. And our step number 14 is select the range A4 to E4 and then the non-adjacent cell G8 and then increase the font size of the cell to 12 point. So first we need to select the range A4 to E4 and then G8. Paste it here value and select this one and press Ctrl and select G8. And now we need to go home tab, go to the home tab and from home tab increase the font to 10 to 12, this one like this. So we have completed our 14th step here. And our step number 15 is to better display the content, manually change the height of row 3 to 8.00. Hint, do not use auto fit. So we need to height, right click on it, row height and change the row height to 8.00 and press click on OK. So we have completed our 15th step here so far. And our 6th step is remaining. For 6th step you need to contact me at my WhatsApp number. I will provide you the complete video, or if you need the complete solution I will provide you the complete solution with 100% accuracy. In full course deal we do each everything like same textbook project, same training, same exam, class test at given time, and midterm exam and final term exam. For more informative video, please like the video, subscribe my YouTube channel. We will provide you the complete solution of this assignment on my WhatsApp number. Contact me at my WhatsApp number and given and email address. My WhatsApp number and email address is given in the description and also showing at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching this complete video.